If you've ever felt overwhelmed by everything you need to remember, Todoist can help you bring instant order to the chaos. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Todoist step by step so you can capture tasks faster, organize your life into projects, and stay on top of what matters most. Whether you're using Todoist for work, school, or personal productivity, this simple system can save you a ton of time and mental energy. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. The first thing you should know is that Todoist works best when you use the inbox as your quick capture space. Anytime a thought, task, reminder, or idea pops into your head, dump it straight into the inbox immediately. Do not worry about organizing it right away. The goal is to get it out of your head before you forget it. Think of the inbox as your temporary holding area for everything you need to deal with later. This is one of the biggest habits that makes Todoist so effective because once your tasks are captured, your brain can relax. Now, after you've collected a few tasks in the inbox, you can start sorting them into the right places. That brings us to projects. In Todoist, projects help you separate different parts of your life, such as work, personal, school, fitness, or anything else you want to keep organized. To create one, look next to My Projects and click the plus symbol. Then give your project a clear name. Once it's created, you can move tasks from the inbox into that project so everything stays grouped by category. This makes it much easier to focus because you're no longer looking at one giant list of unrelated tasks. One of the smartest features in Todoist is that you can type naturally. That means you do not need to manually set every date and time through menus and pop-ups. As you type, Todoist automatically detects dates, times, and even recurring schedules. For example, if you type something like pay rent every month or meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m., Todoist understands what you mean and turns it into a scheduled task. This saves a lot of time and makes task entry feel fast and natural. The more you use this feature, the more efficient your workflow becomes. Next, let's talk about breaking down larger work. Sometimes a task sounds simple, but once you actually start it, you realize it has a lot of smaller steps inside it. That is where subtasks come in. If you select a task and click Add Subtask, you can split one big goal into smaller, more manageable milestones. For example, instead of just writing launch website, you could break it into design homepage, write copy, add images, test links, and publish. This makes big projects feel less intimidating and gives you a clearer path forward. Another important feature is priorities. Todoist lets you assign priority levels using the flag icon. These range from P1, which is red and represents your most critical tasks, all the way down to P4, which is white and used for low priority items. This is a great way to highlight what truly needs your attention first. Not every task is equally urgent, so using priorities helps you avoid wasting energy on the wrong thing. If you're trying to stay focused, make P1 your absolute must-do items and use the lower levels for everything else. Now let's move into the views that help you plan your day and week. The Today view is one of the most useful sections in Todoist because it focuses strictly on what is due before midnight across all of your projects. This means you can open Today and instantly see what needs attention right now without getting distracted by tasks that are due later. It's a simple but powerful way to stay grounded and productive throughout the day. Then you have the Upcoming view, which gives you a bird's eye look at your schedule for the next few days, weeks, or even months. This is perfect when you want to plan ahead and make sure nothing sneaks up on you. Instead of reacting at the last minute, you can look at your upcoming list and prepare in advance. This helps you balance deadlines, appointments, and recurring responsibilities with much more confidence. As you start using Todoist more often, the key is consistency. Capture everything in the inbox, organize it into projects, use natural typing to save time, break down large tasks into subtasks, and use priorities to stay focused on what matters most. Then check Today for immediate action and Upcoming for future planning. That simple routine can completely transform how you manage your tasks. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use Todoist, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.